Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the and or search operator in the Google Scholar mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Safari on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. In the address bar, type googlescholar.com and tap Go to open the Google Scholar homepage. Type your first research term and then write add in capital letters followed by your second term. For example, you can write climate change and renewable energy and tap search. This leads Google Scholar to find articles that include both terms. Type your first search term, then write or in capital letter followed by your second term. This shows articles that include either term, which is great for finding related topics. You can mix them together for advanced search. This finds article about both topic. Always write and or in uppercase letter. Google Scholar organize them as a special command only that way. And that's it. Now you know how to use and or in Google Scholar on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.